Hi everybody, welcome to Something Saranya, and today we are going to see how to make a Domino style garlic bread. So watch the video till the end to get a perfect recipe. So without any further delay, let's start. So before preparing the dough, let's look at this process. So we took half cup of water and the water should be lukewarm. Now in that water we will add 1 spoonful of yeast in it. Now let's add 1 spoonful of sugar in it. Actually we used powdered sugar, but you could use any sugar. Now let's stir this well. So we are adding sugar because the yeast eats the sugar and it creates one concoction which is used in our dough. So we have left the yeast for 5 minutes and it has fermented and bubbled out like this. So we have added 1 cup of Maida in the bowl, and now let's add our yeast mix. And then we will add half teaspoon of salt. Now let's gradually add water and mix. So we have to mix this dough for 5 minutes until it turns into this consistency, and we have to add 2 tablespoons of oil in it, and we have to keep it aside for 3 hours minimum. So after 3 hours, this is the final result. It has expanded double the amount and it's so airy and fluffy, and when I do like this it's so jiggly. The texture is so nice, and when you pop these bubbles the air is coming out. So fluffy, so nice. Just want to play with it. So before baking we have to make the garlic bread seasoning, so that we have to apply this seasoning to our bread. Then we have to bake. So we have took 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and melted it. Now we will add some garlic. We took 5 to 6 pieces and finely chopped them. Now let's add our Italian seasoning. This is 1 tablespoon. Let's add oregano, which is also 1 tablespoon. Lastly, we will add pepper and salt, which is half a teaspoon. They both are half teaspoon. And now let's mix our seasoning well. And that's it, our seasoning is ready. We took the dough and rolled it on a flat surface like a roti. Now let's apply our seasoning. We are adding some mozzarella cheese. Spread it evenly. Now we have folded it like this and kept it on a baking tray. Now let's apply the seasoning again on the top. After done applying the seasoning, we have to just make some imprints. Do not cut deeply, just make these imprints on the dough like this. So we have preheated the oven in 200 degrees and we have kept the garlic bread inside the oven for 10 to 15 minutes in 200 degrees. So now let's close the oven and let this bake, let this do the thing. Our delicious Domino style garlic bread is ready. So it looks like the Domino's one and also smells so delicious, and I hope it also tastes delicious as it smells. It is so delicious. You could see the cheese is so stretchy. Delicious. No words, absolutely delicious.